What are the typical movements of step dance? Imagine a dance where the feet seem to move faster than the eye can follow, yet the upper body stays perfectly still. That's what makes Irish step dance so captivating. It's a style that combines quick, precise footwork with a stiff, upright posture. When you watch a dancer perform, you'll notice they mostly stay in one spot, moving their feet in intricate patterns. The feet are the stars of the show, and they move mainly on the balls of the feet. The toes are turned outward, and the knees stay close together and crossed, giving the dance its distinctive look. One of the most common movements is pointing. The dancer strikes the floor with the big toe while keeping the foot turned out. This is often the starting position for many steps. Then there are skipping and hopping movements, where small jumps are done in place or while traveling in a circle. These are usually counted in sets of 3 beats, matching the rhythm of Irish music. Spring jumps are another key move, where the dancer jumps straight up and down on both feet, pointed toes leading the way, creating a bouncing, springing effect. Crossing one foot over the other is also typical, but it's done with turnout and knees kept close together. This crossing adds to the complexity of the footwork. Heel and toe taps are sharp, rhythmic taps on the floor, often used to accentuate the beat of the music. Moving sideways or forward while maintaining the same stiff posture and precise foot placement is called traveling steps. These movements are combined into choreographed routines, whether performed solo or in groups called Ceilis. Irish step dance emphasizes timing, rhythm, and clean execution. Dancers are judged on how well they keep their posture and how quickly and accurately they perform these intricate foot patterns. When you see a performance at a cultural festival or a competition called a feis, you'll notice the dancers' feet flying and their upper bodies remaining still. That's the essence of Irish step dance's typical movements, a beautiful blend of speed, precision, and tradition.